Hello guys and welcome to yet another video in Python tutorial. In this video we are going to download a certain software, that is PyCharm. So till this moment we were using this Python IDLE to execute any line of code or commands that we were writing in Python. But the problem is that when you want to go for any higher programming or any development, you need something slight advanced. So at that moment we use IDEs. So the IDE which we are going to use is PyCharm, which is developed by Chase company JetBrains. So for that, open your any internet browser and you have to use this URL www.jetbrains.com/PyCharm. Once on this website, you will get this screen, PyCharm, the Python IDE for professional developers. Here you will get this button of download now. Click here. Now you will get redirected to this screen where there are two editions. One is professional and the second one is community. Now the professional edition is a full-featured IDE for Python and web development, but there is only one problem for us, is that this is not a free version. For this you will have to either buy this or you will get a free trial of only 30 days. And the community version is actually a free and open source, which is a lightweight IDE for Python and scientific development. The community version is enough for us. We don't need to go for professional. So just click on the download button and your download will start. I've actually downloaded this software, so I will not download it again. Just show in folder. So once your download is over, just go to the exe file and double click. So after you click on the run button, you will get a screen asking if you would want to allow this software to make changes to your system. I actually couldn't record during that period. I don't know why. So I'm just jumping to the next screen, which is PyCharm Community Edition setup. The actual setup is beginning from here. So just click on the next. Then the destination folder is already given. So just click on the next again. Then again, you will get some installation options here. That is actually configuration. Here, if you want to create a desktop shortcut for a launcher, you can click here, one of these. So actually my PC is 64-bit formatted, so I will click on the 64-bit launcher, and here there is option of create associations. Now if you click mark or tick mark this button or this field, what is going to happen is that any kind of .py files in your computer are going to be run by only PyCharm. So if you double click on your .py file, it will be opened with PyCharm. So I'm just clicking here to and clicking on next. Then click on the install and the installation has started. So it will take a while because my laptop is pretty slow actually. I need to buy a new one. So today it's 17th actually. 3 days ago it was 14th Feb, Valentine's Day. Also my birthday. I hope that you all guys enjoyed. Maybe I hope that you all went on a super cool date and you finally are in a beautiful and healthy relationship. Finally, the setup has been over. It is finished. So I will just click here so that PyCharm will run as soon as I click on the finish button. You can also see this shortcut here. You will get this screen which will ask you if you want to import PyCharm settings. We have never ever before in our life have installed PyCharm, so we are going to click on do not import setting and click on the OK button. Then now you will be redirected to this screen which is about themes. So if you want if you like a light theme where you will be like a white background and kind of red and blue text, you can go for light. But as for me, I prefer this Darkula theme where the background is black and it actually suits my eyes. My eyes don't tire that much, so I'm going to use this Darkula theme and I'm going to go for next, and then I'm going to start using PyCharm. This is PyCharm Community 2018.3 developed by JetBrains. So you will get this screen, and on this screen click on this create new project After new project, you will be, I think they will ask you to give a name for your project. So I'm just giving a name as Hello World. Actually, this is the first ever program that I ever wrote in my life. It was, I guess, in C. So Hello World does hold a special place in every programmer's heart. As this is the first time we are running the PyCharm, it will take a little bit because it will need to create the virtual environment and all. Behind the screen, you will see this tip of the day. Whenever you open the PyCharm will always show you some tips. If you have clicked on this thing, if you don't want to receive tips from PyCharm, you can just unclick here and click on the next. Click on the close. But I want to receive tips, so I will just keep it unchecked, checked, and I will close. So now you can see that the project has been created. Now, though the project has been created, you will not find any kind of file here. You have to create a file before you start actual coding. So just right click on this hello world and go to new and go to Python file. Do remember, not this file, but to the Python file. And when you are here, you will be asked to give a name to your file. So I'm also giving name here as hello world. And please don't give any kind of .py extension over here, because we have already selecting this Python file, so there is no need of that. And click on the OK. So here your file is created, and now let's just see if this thing is running or not. Just print hello world and enter. Oh, sorry. Enter, and enter. As you can see, I have I have hit the enter button, but there is no output because on the PyCharm you have to manually run your code. Go on the run tab and click on the run button. Now you will see this hello world. Click on the hello world and your program will be compiled and run. So this is hello world, and imagine that next time if I make some kind of changes here, like the installation of PyCharm is done. Congratulations. So if you want to run this program again, you don't need to go to the run tab and do that. You can just click on this run button right over here, and if you run this, you will see the output as the installation of PyCharm is done. Congratulations. Now thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button. During the installation, if you have faced any kind of problem, please let me know in the comment section. I will try my level best to solve all your queries. Till the next video, adios. Thank you.